This is one of our 1-ton small excavators. Our excavator adopts one-time molding of the chassis, which is sturdy and durable. The forearm design is smooth, without resistance, and the operation is smoother. The boom structure is optimized, and the welding process is simplified. The oil pipe of the big arm is built in. The oil pipe is inside the boom to reduce the damage of the oil pipe. It is equipped with a plastic fuel tank to ensure the cleanliness of the fuel tank and effectively prevent the blockage of the oil pipe. The plate thickness at the bulldozer ear plate is increased, and a rib plate is added on the rear side to prevent the occurrence of tearing of the bulldozer ear plate. The pin fixing method is improved, and the baffle has a better anti-rotation effect. The performance of the whole machine is optimized and the user experience is better. This excavator is CE certified, and there are 3 engines to choose from, namely Yopu, a Briggs Stratton Kubota, which meets the Euro V and EPA 4 emission standards. The excavation depth of the excavator can reach 1.6 m, and the excavation radius can reach 2.85 m. It is ideal for land consolidation, irrigation, foundation construction, road construction, and house demolition. This excavator combines many advantages and is your ideal choice for construction.